So be careful about that. Um, you have written 391 words. It's not necessary to write so much. In the software, you cannot write more than 300 words.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that's about it. Because of the mistakes, I can grade you only 7, so I'm going to put a 70 over there. Okay, is Prashant Sariki here? Prashant available? Not there. What about Sandhya? Sandhya not available? Available. Okay. Okay. Nice. This is a beautiful essay. Pretty well done. This is what is the expectation. Nice. You have given some examples, real-time evidence, facts. Looks good. So I give you 90. Okay, decent. What about Ganesh Karthik? Available?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me open. I hope you guys haven't copied this stuff from the internet.
No, sir.
Hmm. Wrote on your own, huh?
Yes, sir. On my own.
Okay. See, one thing over here, this similarly, you need to capitalize. Uh, and then this, when you put for example, please do not put this ex colon and all. Okay, just write down for example fully, FOREXAMPLE, like that you need to mention.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and whenever you put a comma, see for example in between Facebook and WhatsApp you have a comma. So when you put a comma, always put a space after the comma. Only then the word count will increase. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and in the end you haven't put a full stop, but other sentences have it, so that is not actually taken as an error. It might be taken as a typo error, but otherwise the essay is pretty good. Nice.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Next, Shahid available? Okay. Success comes to those who take risks, sir. Who asked you for to do this topic, man?
No, sir. I just website.
Huh? What website? I gave you I gave you a different topic, you are writing something else. Huh? No, no. I had clearly mentioned in last class that you need to write about social networking. So you please write one on impact of social networking sites and re-upload it onto Moodle. Okay, we will have a discussion in the next class. Okay. Is Anis Sheikh Anis available? Yes, no. Is Sheikh Anis available? No. Okay. What about Sheikh Sajid?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It's not impact on social networking, it's impact of social networking sites. Okay. Okay, it seems pretty decent. See, only one thing I want to tell you guys, why don't you give personal examples? You guys use social networking sites, right? Essay seems good, but it can have some real-time evidence, facts, some kind of examples like I was talking about in the last class. If you have that, then this essay would be better. It's not a problem, pretty decent. Okay, thank you given for that. What about Vishnu Priya available? Vishnu Priya, not yet. Okay, Shweta Reddy. Okay, same way over here. See, you need to put a space after your commas. This particular place. See, you haven't put a space after R over here. When I was talking about capitalization in the last class, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, all these are names. So you need to put a capital for that. Okay. See, this again, Arogya Setu is a name. You need to put a capital for that. Similarly, YouTube is a name. So you need to capitalize. First letter should be capital. Okay, otherwise the essay is pretty decent. Nice. Might be given. Tejaswin available? Yeah, Tejaswin available? Just joined. Hello, Tejaswin, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I'm just opening your essay. Just look at the screen. First of all, you have not paragraph. There are no paragraphs. What happened to paragraphs? I'm just giving a feedback on your essays. So you just joined and your thing popped up. You need to divide this essay into paragraphs, man. Can you respond? Yes, no, something.
Okay, sir.
Uh, did you write this on your own or copied from the internet? Hello, can you hear me? No response. Okay, Hitashree available? It's not impact on, it's impact of social networking sites. An vital role. Is this correct? Is it a vital role or an? When do you use a? When do you use an? Okay, that needs to be corrected. See, again, you haven't put a space over here after use. After commas, put space. Online and shopping are the same word. Window shopping, again, you need to put a dash. You know, so these are all mistakes. Or after food and recipes, they are not. I don't know what. Lots of mistakes. Punctuation mistakes. Space mistakes. Okay, subject verb agreement. Services utilize. How can you use utilizes? It's wrong, no? If it is a single service, then you write utilize. utilizes. But if services is plural, so you need to use a singular verb. Be careful about punctuation. Be careful about putting space. These are really important. Hmm? Oh. Otherwise, it's okay. But you have written 436 words. I asked you to write only 300 words. Don't don't write so long. I told you, no, this is not a university exam. Okay. Mm. What about the rest of E1 students? Why haven't you submitted?
Then we will submit.
Okay, fine. Let's go to E2. E2 only 12 have submitted. Hmm. Even saying that. Jagdish, available? Jagdish, are you available? No. What about Venkatesh? Vardhan? Not there. Karthik? What are them? Nobody is there. What about Udipa? Available? Huh? Uma Maheshwari? Are you guys able to listen to me? Where are all these people? What about Vasant? Available? Okay. Let me open it. Be careful after a full stop or comma, please put a space after sharing. See over here also, after issues, you need to put a space. After wall posts, see, word is underlining in red. That means something is wrong grammatically. Okay, wherever you see red underlined, either it is a proper noun or there is something terribly wrong with your grammar. Was this written by you? 219 words. You could have mentioned a few more points. Please make sure that the word count comes somewhere near 300. Okay. You can give personal examples of how you use social media, how you use Facebook, you use all this Twitter, WhatsApp, and all to communicate with your friends or family or whatever it is. If you would have mentioned 2 or 3 points regarding that, then you would have come to 300 words. Hmm? Okay. Um, you okay, Jagdish. Great. Ah, okay. I see your essay. I'm just giving feedback on the essays, so just hold on. Let me open yours. This is what you wrote, right? Are you there, Jagdish? Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, you've used Microsoft Word. Wherever there is red underline, there's a grammar problem. Okay. See over here, slowly. This is what? Slowly, yeah. Landlines, you have misspelled it. Video calls supposed to be 2 words, not a single word. Hmm. These are the things that they look at. See, don't use all this quotations and all, open quotes, all that not necessary. Again, for example, do not use ex. Use for example, two different words. Don't abbreviate it. See, I want you guys to write the essay on your own. Okay, a lot of these essays look like they've been copied from the internet. So put in some effort. It's for your own good because only then we can help you out in terms of giving you feedback on your essays. In the next two classes, we're going to do this only. We're just going to give you feedback on your essays. It's not going to be a lecture class. Okay. Regarding essays, whatever information needed to be given was already given in the last class. So now only the feedback is important so that you can improve on your essays. Okay. Anyone else here? Vignesh, Vijay Lakshmi, Vijay Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Who's that? Vignesh, huh?
Yes.
Okay, Vignesh RS. Okay. Recent development of technology which has led the everyone. What do you mean by the everyone? Something is wrong, no? That. Can you say the everyone? Hmm. Okay. So be careful with your grammar. That is the main thing these guys look at. You have given share knowledge to peer group. Okay. Okay, fine. Otherwise, the essay is pretty decent. Nice. Okay. Anyone else available? Vijay Lakshmi, Vijay Kumar, Vinita.
Yes, sir.
Who's that, ma?
Vijay Lakshmi.
Vijay Lakshmi. I told you not to write it. You should have typed it. You have to improve your typing speed, ma. Because half an hour writing a 300 word essay, some people find it very difficult. So it's okay. I'll grade your essay, but still, the actual exam you have to type it. Social networking site provides, or you have to say social networking sites. If you put sites, then you put provide. Be careful about subject verb agreements. How many words is this essay? Did you count?
Sir.
No, just blindly written. Okay, look at this. Education. Why did you capitalize this? Education is a normal common noun, right? Why do you need to capitalize education? See again, suddenly capital E, easily. Be careful about capitalization, ma. Otherwise the essay is fine, not a problem.
Okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah. Anyone else? Vijay Kumar, Vinita?
Yes, sir. Vijay.
Okay, Vijay Kumar. Again, you have also written it. Please type. How many words is this essay? 15. Now, see, you have given headings for each paragraph, correct? Please don't do that. It's wrong. You are not supposed to give headings. Okay, no headings for any paragraph. Okay. Okay, but the essay looks pretty long. I don't think you need to write so much. I don't know. But is it within 300 words? Then fine.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Seems pretty decent. Fine. Only thing, please don't put headings. Okay. Right. What about Vinita, Vishal? Anyone there? Vinita, wa? Okay. Again, many of you have written. Yeah. I specifically told you to type the essays. How many words does this come to?
Don't.
Nice answer. Results indicated students have access to internet. 73% are members. Where did you get this result from? Here you have written results indicated that students have access to internet. 73% are members of any one of the social networking sites. How do you know that?
I studied in Google, sir.
Don't mention specific percentages, ma. Okay. Just write majority or minority. That is enough. Okay, because these data, this kind of data keeps changing every month. So you cannot generalize this stuff. Okay. This kind of quote and all is not necessary for an essay, ma. Please don't use this.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Otherwise, the essay seems pretty decent. Fine. Anyone else available who has submitted? Vishal. Vishal. Okay. Vishal. Wow, such a big first paragraph. See, introduction paragraph, please keep it to 3 or 4 lines. Okay. What you're going to do in an introduction paragraph is just give an idea of what you're going to speak about in the essay. So you should not have such a correct ma. I understand. Yeah, so please don't have it so long. Okay, make the introduction a very small paragraph. Similarly, conclusion also should be a very small paragraph. Okay, the body you can split into 2 or 3 paragraphs. That's not a problem. I just told you that you need to have minimum 3 paragraphs. So introduction, conclusion, these are 2 paragraphs. You can have 2 or 3 body paragraphs also. No problem. Hmm. What is supermatic role, man? Is there any word like that? Huh? Yeah, but is there a word called supermatic? Then don't take a risk. Okay, there is nothing like that. See in Google. Huh? If you are not sure of any spelling or if you are not sure of any word, like I told you in the last class, they do not look for extraordinary vocabulary and all. Use simple words. So, huh? Use simple words. Minimize the mistakes that you make. That's enough. Oh no, this kind of ending is not good, man. Spread love, not hate, and all that stuff. That's like a saying. It's like a quotation, you know. Make sentences. You could have changed it to "We should spread love and not hate each other." If you'd have mentioned like that, that is a sentence. Hmm? Yeah. Okay. Fine. Otherwise, the essay seems good. Okay. Anybody else who has submitted is here. Uma Maheshwari available? Udipa, no. Karthik, Vardhan, Venkatesh, not there. Okay, ECE 2 students also, many of you haven't submitted, so please submit today. Okay, because in the next class we need to finish all the grading. Okay, this report will go to placement department. I don't know what they're going to do with it, but this is what has been told to us to send this report to placement department. Okay, right, that's all for today. Thanks for this for coming to the session. Have a good day.
Okay, sir.
Okay.